What's up, guys? Brett with New England Auto with Truck. Today we are parting out a 2017 Kia Sportage, stock number N01291. 48K on it. This will be quick. This one's going to be quick. Honestly, left front door, clean. This thing is actually pretty clean. You got one scrape down here in the middle. You see this guy right here? That's it. That's your damage. So honestly, not too bad. The inside lip of this door, I know you're wondering about it. Clean. Clean, no burn on there either. That's all gonna wipe off. We're gonna go less glass on the doors here. They're just beat up, just a little beat up, so we'll go less glass. Left rear door, that thing looks awesome. That's real clean, clean listed, no damage, but again, less the glass in there. Less the glass, but the door is in great shape. Quarter on the left side in great shape as well. No damage listed at all. Complete left rear suspension in good shape. Front wheel drive vehicle here. Good quarter panel mounted tail lamp on the left. Rear bumper assembly in awesome condition here. Small scrapes right here. That's it. That's literally it. So great shape. Comes cover rebar. Gate in great condition here. That looks fantastic. Comes with the spoiler, the hinges, the camera, the lights. One ping beneath the Kia emblem. Still in good shape. Good quarter panel mounted tail lamp here on the right side. Good complete right rear suspension. Again, it's front wheel drive. Quarter on the right side mint. That's listed with 0 damage. Right rear door, good shape, minus the glass. Obviously, minus the glass. Small ping down beneath the body line there, but still looks great. Right front door, that's listed clean with no damage whatsoever. Again, the inside lip up there where it meets the fender, you would be concerned about the burn. It's good, clean. Again, minus the glass, clean, minus the glass. Honestly, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I got for you. I'm not even gonna have to go around and get into the inside. It's just, that's tough. You guys know the deal, though. You guys got questions? You got questions on this 17 Kia Sportage? You know what to do. Get a call over to sales. Those guys, they are going to be more than happy to give you the help that you need.